Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new video of the Who Plays, and today we are back in survival series. So guys, I really want to make multiplayer. So any of you guys who want to play multiplayer with me, just comment down your ID. I'll add you as a friend. My ID is the Who Plays ID, D capital, no space. I'm kinda hungry, so I'm just finding food around. I'll take some beetroot. Beetroot will be good and healthy. Guys, I'm not able to find my house from last time. Guys, last time I made like myself a 2-minute house. I don't want to disturb any of the villagers sleeping. Oh, he's not there, he's sleeping. Sorry man, you came a bit late, and if the iron golem hits me, sorry dude. Jabal, oh shit. I have my bed on me. Yeah, iron boy. So guys, I really need to find. Oh, guys, you just no. I think you guys know why I'm not talking. I think. I was sleeping right here. I'll wear the armor, it's no worries. I like saddles, I'm gonna keep it in only for now. So guys, today I'm thinking to farm a lot. No. This is fine, coming. I'll go out. What do you trade? Look, this guy's so rude, he didn't even trade me. Trade me. What? 20 string for 1 emerald. It's no fair. He's a very bad villager. I really need to get these guys less expensive. So guys, wait, how did my sheep got killed? Hello. Guys, I think there's a wolf around because sheep don't get killed so easily. I didn't even kill one yet. Come on, this is my land. It's my chance to kill whoever I want. So guys, I want to even farm a bit, but I don't think so there's any need to farm yet. Sheeps, I don't know what will I do with sheeps for now. I can use sheeps to increase the popularity over here. There are already cows, and I think cows are the main important one here. Because books. You want to eat? Come here, I'll give you meat. No. So guys, these both have. I knew there is a dog. I want a pet. So I'm gonna get a pet boy. Get us a man. It's not your home. It's a workout place. He works here. I live here. Now you can go in. Here, doggo. Doggo. Pin, pin. Sit. Guys, see, it's so good. He listens to me. You guys are wondering what I'm doing here. I'm just coming here so that I can take a blue flower, and there is a light blue flower, like a white dye flower. So I'm gonna mix them both. And guys, I'm pretty soon going to make myself a house, and I want to make it out of quartz. If you guys are playing Minecraft for a long time, I think you guys might know, concrete. And if you guys are playing Minecraft for a long time, you guys might know what is concrete. Okay. One will go on my bed, one will go on my collar. Come on, doggo, let's get you in. Welcome to the city, doggo. I don't know if we have to go away from here because there's not too much of sand. Oh yeah, sand is there a lot. And I might find the gravels in here like somewhere only. Sit, you're gonna live here for now. I'm gonna go somewhere else and start the house structure. So guys, I want to really make it out of, you guys know what I want to make this out of, concrete. So I'm gonna work offline to get a lot of concrete and stuff, light blue concrete or normal concrete, I don't know, dark blue or light blue, I don't know about that. Okay, it's enough big. So guys, I'm not talking too much, I know. Like I just get too focused and I'm building. Sorry about that. I like building very good and stuff. So I'll see you guys when I'm done with my structure. So guys, I think this is going to be my format. See, this is going to be some towers around it. I'm going to fill this, both these three columns with some concrete. And okay, let's start getting the concrete down. I'll meet you guys. But wait guys, we need to find at least a puddle, like we see this, we need this, and I need gravel in here. I can't make it without gravel. Yep, our problem is solved, and there's a lot of gravel and sand here. Let's start mining this, boys. I'll meet you guys when I'm with quite some. See you in a bit. So guys, for now I got some bit of gravel. I can't get too much from here already. I think I'll find a bit afterwards in here. Yeah, there are no more. Come on, I'll check that afterwards if we need more of them, but it's gonna be hard. I have it. Nope, I don't. Actually, now I'm changing my plan and I'm gonna make these out of red bush. Not blue, I'm gonna make it out of red. If I told you guys also so. So beetroot also gives you red dye. So I want more gravel, but soon by surely we are gonna get a lot of gravel because I'm gonna mine a lot. First of all, we are gonna start mining it pretty soon. I think in this episode only we are gonna start mining. I don't know. There's a flippin' wow. Just wow. Just wow. So guys, I think I've got pretty much sand on me. I don't know how much I have, guys. Let me see. 44 will be way more because I don't have so much gravel also. But I have sandstone I don't even need. But still that will work. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys, I was saying I don't even need sandstone to go up. Dope. Now you guys might be questioning why am I still exploring the desert? Because there was kind of like a lake here, and I thought there might be some gravel in here. Pretty much, I want to finish the house, but I really need to start mining then. And this lake will be pretty handy because I'm gonna start growing sugarcane here. Why not to start already? But no, I'm gonna start over there only. Because if I start there, I'm gonna be mostly over there only. And my sugarcane by surely it's gonna grow. And sometimes I'm gonna live with AFK over there only, so. It will regrow because I'm here only, no? So let's, where's my crafting table? Don't tell me again, I didn't forget again. So now you guys might be seeing, I told I want concrete powder. Why am I? Gravel! There's more. I have more dye. Yeah, I have 3 more. And I have sand a lot more. So guys, now I'm gonna show you guys the ultimate trick. Now you guys were just thinking, this guy is really crazy. How the heck this is the ultimate trick? But some players who have played a lot on Minecraft World and have made a house out of concrete might, and the big pros might know this. See this? Done. 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 Take this. Wait, a lot of concrete and gold. Sometimes it doesn't also work. Sometimes only sometimes. And I'm not even on computer. On computer it works properly. I'm really hungry. Hello, ma'am. Okay, he's ignoring me. Good. 40, so I think I can start the base, and I really need to put a lot of things in my chest. All over again. I get it. My chest is... My bear is... No, I can't call it a chest. I really need to get one more to call it... Okay, now it's a chest. There's even a chest. Wait, I can just free up some space in me. Oh, yeah. Okay, it has Unbreaking 3. I know iron is better than gold, but I'm still wearing because it looks shiny. So, oh yeah, my dog is also there. I'll meet him in some time. Let me keep my seed, my this and this. I need that, and I need this and this. And this. This. And this. And this. And this. I need this. And this. Done. Is it getting night time? Oh, I think it's... I'm not gonna notice now because it's raining, so... Woof. Woo. I don't know till how much time this rain will be going. I really need to try. I don't want to waste my time here. I think... Yep, I just think we should start placing some... These blocks we'll just start placing. Okay, red concrete is looking pretty good. In some of my... If I ever make other thing using concrete. I knew it's gonna happen. I knew it's about to go night time, and I knew there are zombies. And I could hear zombies if you guys weren't able to. I could hear a zombie. What the heck? I'm spamming. Hello. First of all, there are gonna be 2 floors. Second of all, I made a place. So guys, I had a much more plans for this episode, but I didn't do anything too much. I did went too long. So bye guys, see you in the next episode. Bye.